Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're at the Rustoberfest in New Florence, Missouri. Check out that hood ornament and the shadow that it casts. What a cool VW Bug. 1965. It's got patina, salt flat wheels. Looks like it's on air. Pinstripe roof rack, cool cooler. There's another cooler in the back seat. Look at all the pinstriping across the dash. And there on the quarter panel, there's the salt flats again. Just a cool car. And I had to shoot it. The owner wasn't around. Love that back bumper and the Missouri 1965 license plate. Just a really neat Bug. And don't know what size motor it is or how it sounds, but judging by the way it looks, it's probably got a hell of a nice sound to it. And absolutely love the flip out or tilt out windshield as well. There you can see the great look at the windshield. And there's the Rustoberfest sticker. So again, 1965 VW Bug. Thanks again for watching.